Our lives and communities are inextricably connected to the ocean. We rely on our oceans for food, energy, transportation, trade, and even for the air we breathe. That is why the twin emergencies of climate change and biodiversity loss are not just impactful on our environment, but also our economy and society as a whole. So while most immediate for coastal communities and marine businesses, the consequences can and will be felt everywhere, from our villages to our cities, and from our homes to our offices and on our holidays. Scotland is committed to our own National Performance Framework, as well as our contributions to the UN Sustainable Development Goals, SDGs, the standards by which we create policies and deliver programmes to protect the future of our oceans and measure our progress. These frameworks have contributed to great advancements in areas like renewable energy, sustainable and productive fisheries, protection of our sea life, conservation of our coastal wetlands and seabeds, a vital storage of carbon, known as blue carbon habitats. The most important part of our efforts are ensuring that we maintain strong ties between Scotland's policymakers and the scientific community. This relationship helps to optimise synergies between diverse policy areas such as climate targets, education and trade policy, so that they work well towards the same outcomes. And it can help minimise compromises, such as the shared use of the sea by fishing and energy industries. Getting this right is called policy coherence. Scientific research and empirical evidence is vital to forming coherent policies, which is why MASTS, the Marine Alliance for Science and Technology for Scotland, is connecting marine scientists to decision makers in different parts of Scottish Government. MASTS help to create a forum for scientific advice on the intrinsic connections between our oceans and socio-economic matters, as well as the more complex impacts to employment, trade, transport, health and well-being, education and technology. In the UN Decade of Ocean Science for Sustainable Development and in the context of the SDGs, there has never been a more pivotal moment for joint efforts to tackle the climate and marine and coastal biodiversity loss emergencies. Let's continue to ensure Scotland is at the forefront of sharing insights and policy coherence in ocean conservation and protection with the rest of the world.